Let us have Honorable Gerard P. Tan. Let's give him a big round of applause.
So excited this morning as this will be another step towards. I did it and passed the board exam. Period. I love you so much. Again, Mama and Papa, yes, with exclamation mark, I did it and passed the board exam. I love you so much. Send this message now, please, to your dear Mama and Papa. Please. This profound message will be very important and relevant. You know, revisit after 5 years or even 10 years. Use this message as a constant inspiration to learn, to grow, and to love not only your parents, your family, but also our profession.
Good day to everyone, especially to the new electronics engineers, electronics technicians, and professional electronics engineers joining the ranks of our nation's licensed professionals today. Let me congratulate each one of you. This is a moment that didn't come easy. I'm sure many of you lost sleep, sacrificed time with family, and faced doubts along the way, but you pushed through. You now carry a title that speaks of your skills and discipline, but beyond that, it carries a responsibility. The country needs professionals like you, practical, smart, and grounded, because real change doesn't just come from speeches or slogans. It comes from people who know how to build things, fix what's broken, and make systems work. Whether you're working on national infrastructure, streamlining hospital technologies, improving connectivity.
Anyway, I've known the guest of honor since 1992. It's always in our office. The office of the Chief General Headquarters at Camp Aguinaldo. By the way, the guest of honor, our guest of honor is a graduate of BSECE and BSEE, dual course, at the St. Louis University, my schoolmate. So when I was taking EE and ECE, I was there taking my master's in management engineering on same school in Baguio.
Yeah, it's worse even this afternoon, probably. Okay, so it's a very memorable place for me. I worked here at UP 7 years. I was here at the right place at the right time. Nagre-review pa ako ng...
Empowering Filipino electronics professionals in digital transformation with innovation, integrity, and global excellence. He has profoundly inspired and motivated the new generation of electronics engineering professionals to strive for excellence, embrace innovation, and uphold the highest ideals of professional integrity.
Chairman, ano lang to, reminders. Ngayon, we celebrate a remarkable milestone. Collaboration natin is not only to our fellow electronics engineers. It is also important to collaborate with other disciplines. No? At least if there is one project, you can represent the electronics engineering na mga equipment, devices, or whatever. No? So, through collaboration natin sa ibang fields, katulad na ginagawa natin before, kasi hindi pa uso nga yung electronics, I used to talk to civil engineers, architects, no? Na architects, this is not for all. For my friends na mga architects doon sa amin, what they are thinking is the building only. No, hindi kasama ang electronics. So, every time there's a client na lalapit sa kanila, magpagawa ng building, ang ginagawa nila is building na normal, no, electric.
In my profession, I take deep pride
about creating value for society, recognizing electronics for our economy, purpose driven. That's who we are. We work with ingenuity for nation building and ever evolving industry. Genomic believing active is our institute. Excellence is what we aim. Yes, humanity alone. Professionally cement prestige is our root for our country and the world. All of us are resolute. Engineering solutions that have led to many changes. Creativity, intelligence have been our tool for ages. Marching forward for the country, leading its progress. Human people form a false success. One organization, our many chapters, our one profession, walking hand in hand in the same direction, with the help of all to our mission. One organization, our many chapters, our one profession. We are family, guided by our mission, IECEP. Easy is let's build the nation. Leadership and unity and progress and development, camaraderie and ethics and meaningful engagements. Members have the chance for growth and involvement, new opportunities, inspiring lives forward. Engineering solutions that have led to many changes. Creativity, intelligence have been our tool for ages. Marching forward for the country, leading into progress. Human people are a false success. One organization, our many chapters, our one profession, walking hand in hand in the same direction, with the help of all to our mission. One organization, our many chapters, our one profession. Our family, guided by our mission, IECEP. Easy is let's build the nation. March on to the future for the next generation. Who's open to innovation, innovation. One organization, our many chapters, our one profession, walking hand in hand in the same direction, with the help of all who do our mission. One organization, our many chapters, our one profession. We are family, guided by our mission, IECEP. Easy is let's build the nation.
Now let us observe the integrity, innovation, and a commitment Destination Building. Thank you to our VIP